Have you envisioned having both a functional and durable tabletop while never having to sacrifice design and sophistication? Let us introduce you to our 3DL Thermoformed tabletops, where there's a large variety of possibilities. Before we show you all of the customizable options, let's briefly point out why the 3DL tabletops are considered top of the line. 3DL tops have vacuum heat-sealed surfaces, a seamless surface that provides greater resistance to moisture and bacterial penetration. They are more resistant to denting, cracking, scuffs, and chipping. They are easy to clean, cost-effective, designer-friendly, and they are backed by a 5-year warranty. Now, onto the customization. We currently offer 4 edge options: bullnose, OG, double waterfall, and spill reducing. 3DL tops are available in many sizes and finishes as well. From a classic wood grain resemblance to elegant stones, our offerings are unmatched. Keep in mind, we also have the ability to create custom tabletops, such as a farmhouse tabletop, etc. Next, let's discuss base options. Not only are bases a necessity, they can also be treated as an accessory. We have a multitude of bases to select from, depending on your style and budget. When it comes to dining or activity tables, we would love to help your facility create a space that your residents and staff will love. Contact us today for more details.